Here we have a Singer 306W, which means it was made in Bridgeport, Connecticut, sometime around 1954 or shortly thereafter. This particular machine looks like it's in pretty good shape. We do have some little bit of paint chipping up here on this cover, but other than that, it's in pretty darn good shape. Granted, I have cleaned it up, but it's got to be in pretty good shape for it to clean up this nice. This was, I believe, one of Singer's first attempts at what they called a swing needle. Zigzag. The term zigzag wasn't coined until several years later by some marketing genius, because it certainly stuck. Just take a quick look at the bottom of this. All steel construction, and we have the cleated belt that was real popular on Pfaff machines of the same era. Hopefully this view gives you a little better look at the bobbin case. And appropriate bobbin for this case. Yeah, let's do a quick sew test here. I got the 6 stitch length set on maximum. Sort of hard to see the stitches with my wonderful camera here, but it's certainly doing a nice job. Singer put 1/2 amp motors on these guys, so they're not extremely strong. You could probably upgrade the motor if you thought you needed to. Let's try a little swing stitch. Again, I've got this set on maximum stitch length. I'm pulling that around there just so I can stay out of the way so you can see it. I'll just go straight now. Let's take a look at the back. Not bad. Let's tighten that stitch length up a little bit. Still looking pretty nice. Again, I know you probably can't see the stitch real good, but certainly nothing wrong with the timing, and this does have the appropriate needle in it. And this does have the appropriate 206X13 needle in it. If it wasn't timed correctly with the right needle, there'd be no way it could pick up both sides of this zigzag stitch.